Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Steffanies Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to go plant my garlic family. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. This is my garlic. This is the Siberian garlic bulbs. This is hardneck. I don't think these are any good. But I'm going to put them in the ground. You can't see them. I got the camera in the wrong place. These are Siberian garlic. They look bad to me. So I don't think that they're going to do anything. But I'm going to plant them anyway. Maybe a few bulbs work. The rest don't. These are a few here from my last year. I didn't have any really big ones. I had already used them. So this is what's left. This is what I'm going to keep to use. And then these are the California white garlic bulb. These are soft necks. These look good. Some of them actually started sprouting in the house after I peeled them. But these look good. So this is probably enough, all that I need anyway. These are the smaller ones here that I'm going to keep. And these are the larger ones that I'm going to plant. But this right here is probably enough. And this, but I'm just going to try to plant a few of those and a few of those just because these are the ones I had last year. These are some seed garlic. These are grocery store garlic that I bought that I keep growing. So we'll see if these grow better than these, but my garlic didn't grow good last year. So anywho, let's go outside in the cold. It's so windy out here. Look at the trees. Stuff just blowing. It's good. I thought it was going to be chilly, but it's not. And my stuff is blowing away. Don't want that. There's enough trash in the world rolling all around. So let's get it up. Let's move it up. So I'll put it up under it. One is already gone somewhere. So I missed one. I don't know where it's on the way to, but put y'all on this thing here. Maybe I'll do it from the side. That way I won't have my butt up in the way. Alright. Let's turn y'all here. Okay. It says to plant them 2 inches apart and then 4 inches apart in width. So this is a 4x4, so that means 4 inches going to 12 3 times, I guess. No. 1, 2. I don't know. I gotta count it. Can't do no math right now. But and I planted something along the edges. I think it was radishes or turnips or something. So they're growing along the edges. And then I have some greens right here that I'm going to move. And then my rosemary. But they're fine. I'm going to get these weeds up. And let me get one of my trays. I'm going to start with the one that I know is some good. And I'm just going to go across 4. And I'm just going to put the holes in. Let's see how many I can get across. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should have been able to get 8, but whatever, because I didn't start at the end. But it is what it is. And then you go this way for the 2 inches, and then just start another one. And I'm not gonna stagger them. I'm really not, because I'm gonna use one hole to make the next hole. And the ground is 64 degrees. I'm in zone 7A in Georgia. So, I mean, we had 2 frosts. It really don't get that cold here. I'm gonna move that. Put it right there, because it needs to be moved. Because I was saving this bed for my garlic, but I had just started some greens in it just to relocate them since it was empty. Went down to plant garlic yet. Alright. That's 21. 7 and 7. So, y'all know I don't like worms. So we're going to use these gloves. And for garlic, the side that's the bottom of the garlic goes down. The pointy side goes up. Plant them about 2 inches deep. Comb up. That's it. Nothing special. They'll just grow up like this with the green. Just make sure put the right side down. That's the key. Garlic. And even if they ain't too far down, I think if you're further up north, you might need to plant them a little bit deeper because of the cold. But here, it don't get that cold. So we just do what we do. I don't remember planting that many. Curly, so, because I done closed the hole. That's why it's best to do your holes first. And you remember where you planted them. And cover them as you go. Or you can leave them uncovered and stick them in there. That way you can see them. I don't think that one's going to grow. It's split. And that got the paper off of it. But if it's already started sprouting, that's fine too. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Nothing at all. Just got a head start. And if a frost come, it might kill it back, but it will grow back. That's what happened to them last year. We got that hard frost December 10th, and it killed everything just about in my garden. I think the only thing that really survived was some greens. But outside of that, everything died. I'm trying to get the bigger ones. Some of these ain't no good either. But we're going to get what we get. Thank God for it. Per usual. Because it's a blessing to get anything. It's a shown up blessing to get anything. So we need to be grateful for whatever He gives us. That's the bottom. That one ain't no good. Alright, we got 21 planted. We can move this over. And then try it again. I'm going to pull up these dino kills and relocate them. somewhere else today. The ground is really wet because it rained for 2 straight days. Thank you for that rain. We needed it. And now, oops. Suggest that right. Didn't think I did, but I did. I got a good eye for judging distance, so once I do the first 2, and I move this back so it's not in the way. I found some grubs in this soil. I hope I got them all out. I tried to get them out as much as I saw. Could be still some left in here, but I did my best. I do know this is some good soil. Had a lot of worms in it. Put compost and nutrients in it. $21 and $28. Almost 50. Well, you gonna be short too. And I think it was 60. I think I counted 60. Sometimes I put a few in upside down. Kind of be looking the same. Sometimes. It is what it is, though. Still grow. Grow funny, but it'll grow. Because when something want to grow, you can't stop it. That's with vegetables, people, any of it. Because if someone want to do something, they would do it. Whether it's a will, there is a way. That's why stuff be growing out of concrete. Through cracks. Because that's what it want to do. So that's what it'll do. And ain't nothing about it. Instead of trying to block other people's blessings, concentrating on creating your own. Don't no good come to that. None. No good comes to trying to block people's blessings. Hold them back because of your anger or jealousy. Alright. I'm old. It's bending over. It's not for me. Feeling it in my neck. My neck is messed up. I got a crook or something. And then this stick keep rubbing on my butt. Alright. that's as good as we gonna get it for this one. Alright, y'all. Got them all in there. As you can see, some of them still got the green sticking up. So that's it. Take a look over here. And my collar's looking good. They got a little bit of frost damage on it, as you can see. But they'll be just fine. And then those are the Brussels sprouts. I don't see no damage on them. I ain't covered it. Got down to 25. Got weeds in here though. Need to be pulled. I need to put some cover over grass. Go get some of my neighbors' leaves out their yard. Well, off the curb, not out the yard. Going on nobody's property. Yep. That's about it. So, I'm gonna bore you with them. You do it the same way. I just wanted to show you what the spacing looks like and how you go about planting them. In case got some people that wanna try it. You never tried it. The smaller ones make really smaller bulbs. The larger the clove, the bigger your bulb gets. So keep that in consideration. It don't matter the size. They all eat just fine, regardless if they big or not. You will still, even with these little teeny ones, you will still get a bulb garlic. Won't be as big, but you'll still get it. So don't be discouraged by that, thinking they gotta be huge. They do not. Because the first year I planted them, I planted every bulb, everything that was in the bulb, and it still grew. So, pour some water. I'm gonna plant some more in one of them bags. So, alright. Alright, that's it for my garlic planting. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I was trying to do vlogmas, but I'm not gonna be able to do that. I can't do videos every day. Just don't have that kind of energy or time on my hands. But I'm gonna try as much as I can to get one out as often as I can for December. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.